Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Custom maps in Beat Saber are illegal. When you download a custom map or song for Beat Saber, you are party to a crime, in most countries. Every custom map has map data files, and an audio file of music which is most likely copyrighted. Neither the mapper nor the player has the legal rights to transport that song.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Can you add more music genres to the game? Yes, we are definitely planning to keep adding diverse music genres into Beat Saber so our game stays exciting for everyone and you have a chance to explore something new or play your favorite songs.
Let's help you make your mark.
There were some concerns with the renewed emphasis Facebook, Oculus placed on their terms, but nobody has reported being banned or any problems with running a modified Beat Saber. Obviously, don't make yourself a large target via piracy or other things that can cost Facebook money.
Let's help you make your mark.
If you've purchased Beat Saber for your Quest, you can use a PC and an Oculus Link cable to get custom songs. Connect your Quest or Quest 2 to SideQuest. This is a separate process that connects your Quest headset to the SideQuest app. You'll need to physically connect the Quest to your computer using a sync cable.
Let's help you make your mark.
Laws vary from country to country, of course, but for the most part, the downloading, uploading and exchange of custom songs is not legal. The fact you can listen to music free on the internet does not give you license to use it in Beat Saber.
Take our lead.
I'm sorry, I am new to all this stuff. Nobody has ever been banned for using Beat Saber mods, and I can imagine that there would major backlash if it did happen. Bmbf is safe to use and its source code has been verified by various members of the modding community.
Make your mark, take our lead.
You'll be fine. Keep in mind it has always been illegal to download custom songs, so nothing has really changed. Not even, they added a warning to the unknown sources page IIRC. It is safe and you will not be banned.
Let's help you make your mark.
Navigate to your Beat Saber install location, and then go to Beat Saber_data, custom levels. Paste the unzipped custom song folder into your custom levels folder and you're good to go. That should be everything you need to start installing custom maps on Beat Saber for PC VR.
Make your mark, take our lead.
A new web tool, Beat Saber Matcher, now enables any Spotify users to easily match their Spotify playlist with beat maps on Beat Saber. You can use this tool to easily find Beat Saber beat maps for their favorite songs. The tool is fairly easy to use.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.